Hey everybody, Sarah here with Pool Pros today. Today I wanted to show you guys something that we're starting to find more and more common, something we're looking for the homeowner's best interest when we're doing a pool and spa remodel. So if you take a look at this spa, we've already drained it. It's been hydroblasted because it did have a paint surface on it, and we did remove the tile. But look at that tile line. So you can see over here how it's nice and solid, but it gets over here and you have that big crack. And the reason why I want to take that in a video to show you guys, you can see how there's some over there in the pool beam as well. But it's very important when you're having the pool remodeled with new tile and or surface that you have this crack repaired, because otherwise, if it's not repaired, you can even put brand new tile on that. And then after the remodel is done, water can actually get behind that tile and you'll have a constant leak problem. Losing water out of that pool beam crack on a brand new remodeled pool. So it's just something I wanted to take a quick video to show you guys so that you can be aware. And if you're hiring companies out there who might not be familiar with beam cracks or beam crack repair, it's just something important for them to know, to look out for your best interest, and keep headaches at bay. Thanks so much, Sarah with Pool Pros. Let us know anything we can do for you.